Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. In today's video, we are talking about something incredibly important for the healthcare industry. The scope and applicability of ISO 27799. If you are working with health information or healthcare IT systems, understanding this international standard is a must. Let's get into it. What is ISO 27799? ISO 27799 is an international standard that provides guidelines for information security management in healthcare. It helps healthcare organizations protect personal health information, also known as PHI, by aligning with the well-known ISO IEC 27002 standard. Think of it as a customized security guide made especially for the unique needs of the healthcare sector. Scope of ISO 27799. Now let's talk about the scope. ISO 27799 applies to all types of health information, whether it is stored digitally, on paper, or even communicated verbally. It includes electronic health records, that is EHRs, patient registration data, diagnostic images, laboratory reports, and any other identifiable health information. The scope also covers all types of organizations that handle health data, like hospitals and clinics, health insurance companies, laboratories and pharmacies, IT service providers working with health systems. So whether you are a healthcare provider, a vendor or a consultant, if you deal with personal health information, ISO 27799 is for you. Applicability of ISO 27799. So how is ISO 27799 actually applied in real-world situations? Here is how. It helps organizations identify and manage risk related to health information security. It guides them in setting up policies, access controls, and encryption measures. It ensures compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. And it supports the creation of a secure environment for handling sensitive patient data. Importantly, ISO 27799 can be used by large hospitals, small clinics, government health departments, private IT companies, basically any organization regardless of size that needs to protect health data. Key benefits of using ISO 27799. Why adopt ISO 27799? Here are the main benefits. Stronger protection of patient data, improved data management and control, better compliance with national and international laws, increased trust among patients and partners, reduced risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. It gives your organization a structured, proven framework to build a secure health information system. So ISO 27799 isn't just about IT or paperwork. It's about protecting lives by ensuring that health data remains confidential, accurate, and available when it's needed. If you are in healthcare or health tech, understanding and applying ISO 27799 is a smart move for both safety and success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on ISO standards and healthcare quality. Until next time, stay informed and stay secured.